Good afternoon. Today I'm going to teach you how to do double-digit subtraction with replacing. All right, on our very first page over here, we have an example. I'm going to let you read through that if you need it, if you have extra time. I'm going to go ahead and go to our third problem, our third page. This is our very first problem that you're going to do on your own. Our first step is to draw. Just like in here, we're going to draw it out up at the top using our manipulatives over here on the side. I'm going to start in my ones place like usual. We have a 3 and we have a 5. We are looking for the bigger number. When we're subtracting, we always want to take away from that bigger number. So 5 is the bigger number. Remember, I'm going to take my ones because we are in the ones place. I'm going to drag 5 of them on over. Okay, go ahead and move this one. Okay, now we're going to go to our tens place. We need to set up the bigger number. So we have an 8 and we have a 4. Now 8's the bigger number, so I'm going to put 8 of my tens over here in my tens place. Remember, we use the rod because we are in the tens place, so we have to make sure there are 10 in the tens place. All right, we have 8. Now we can start our problem. When we are subtracting, remember, we cannot have a smaller number on top. So in order to make this number bigger than 5, we are going to steal one of our tens from our tens place and drag it on over to our ones place. All right, so now instead of just having 5 there, we have 15. But because we're stealing a 10, we're going to go ahead and turn this 3 into a 13 because we're adding an extra 10. We're giving it that extra 10. We're helping that 3 out. All right, so now instead of 3 minus 5, it is 13 minus 5. So we can use our number up at the top, and we are going to subtract 5 from it. So we have 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, and 8. When we start by counting 13 and we subtract 5, we get 8. All right, it's okay that this number is smaller. Let's go ahead and go on over here to our next one. We have 8 up at the top, 8 tens. And we need, oh, I apologize. We moved one of our tens over. So now if we count them, we have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So remember, I just made this mistake. It's really easy to do. If we move one of our tens over, we need to change this number. We can cross it out and make it 7, or you can just make it a 7. All right, so now we have 7 minus 4. So we're going to take our cross out, and we're going to cross out 4 of those tens. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4 of them are crossed out. Just like our other subtraction, we're going to figure out how many we had left over. So the ones that don't have cross marks through them are 1, 2, and 3. So we have 3 left over without cross marks. This means our final answer is 38 here in this problem. All right, you are going to go ahead and repeat this for the following problems. Good luck.